Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Any business, company, or organization interested in automating its processes must understand what processes RPA can and cannot automate. 1. Rule-based processes. Rule-based tasks are simple. They can't be processes that require human judgment or interpretation. Robot software can't understand ambiguous statements, so the task must be logical with little to no changes or exceptions. 2. High number of repetitive transactions. The purpose of RPA is to automate many tasks quicker and with more accuracy than a human. While it's possible to automate processes that are typically done every couple of months, focusing on high-volume transactions ensures optimal performance with the greatest benefits. 3. Mature. A mature task is a process that's existed for a while, so it's a process known by most workers. This also means that the process likely is completed in the same manner each time. 4. Easy to identify cost. If an organization can calculate the current cost incurred to complete a task, it is easier to lay out the cost versus the potential benefit from automation. 5. Structured. Processes suitable for automation are clearly defined and use structured data. Structured data are quantitative numbers and values like a database holding addresses and credit card numbers. 6. Transactional. Transactional processes are those that are frequently subjected to human error. For example, an organization updating its sales orders is a transactional task perfect for automation. 7. Little to no exceptions. These tasks typically mean a bot can complete processes with minimal exceptions. An exception is when the software robot would have to respond to something unexpected. Unfortunately, while automation technology can handle exceptions, it cannot take many. 8. Not complex. RPA software cannot handle complex tasks, like subjective feedback, without adding machine learning, AI, or other intelligent tools. 9. Multisystem access. A benefit of RPA software is that when the bot attaches to an organization's current system, it creates an ecosystem of interconnected technology. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.